Good morning, students. We are to begin science. Science has found it that the whole universe is made up of two things. One is matter, and another is energy. Whatsoever things are seen in this world that are matters, whatsoever thing you see, and perhaps there are many things that you don't see, they all are matters. There are some properties of matters. It is considered and found on that. And the matters are being driven by energy. Means whatsoever motion, whatsoever activities are being seen in this world, that is because of energy. In first chapter of class ninth, you have to study about the matter in your surroundings. First of all, you have to define matter. What is a matter? Anything that has mass and it occupies space. That is, it has volume. Anything that has mass and volume, that is known as matter. For example, your book have some mass and it occupies space. Table, chair, etc. And whatsoever things are there that are formed so that it has mass and it occupies space, like air, if we consider that air is also having mass and it also occupies space. If we fill the air in a balloon and we weigh it, then we will find some mass in it, and when air is filled in a balloon, then it occupies space too. Further, you have to study about the different states of the matter, that are solid, liquid, and gases. What are solids? Which have fixed shape and size. Shape and size fixed. Matters which are having fixed shape and size are called solids. Liquids have no fixed shape and size but fixed volume. And in solids, shape, size, volume all are fixed. While in gases, there is nothing fixed. They have no fixed shape, neither fixed volume. This all you have to study in the first chapter and several examples related to that. And then you have to study about the properties of solids, compressibility, rigidity, that will be discussed later. Thank you.